Hello everyone. So first of all, my name is Abdul Rauf, and by continuing our deep learning playlist, we will talk about LSTM today. So basically, LSTM full form is long short-term memory. So let's start our video with a simple graph like this. So in this graph, you can see some neurons that goes to the forward by getting some inputs and giving out some outputs. Okay. So basically, this type of neural network is known as the recurrent neural network. Why it is a recurrent neural network? Because there are some arrows that go backward too. So it will see the previous neurons, what is the in values in this, and based on these values, it predict the output of the other values or forward neurons. So basically, this type of network is known as the recurrent neural network. But it has some drawbacks too. For example, if we get some large amount of data, then some neurons start to forget some data, and which the data they forget may be important or may not be important. But if it is important, then it is a basic problem for us. So this type of problem is known as the vanishing gradient problem. So solve this problem, we use a type of type of recurrent neural network known as the LSTMs or long short term memories. So basically, these are the type of recurrent neural network which use memory gates to store some memories they want to store, and some forget some memory they want to forget, which will be not important for them. So yeah, these they use the three types of gate. Let's start with first gate, which is known as the forget gate. So basically, this gate first get the inputs and output, then it will see the information. If it is important, then it will stay in the gates, and if it is not important, then it will be forgetted by forget gate. So it will forget the information that is not very important to the kernel. And then we have the second gate, which is known as the input gate, which will decide what new information to store. So it will say, get some information from x1 to xn, the inputs, and then see which information is very important for them that will be stored, and the other information it want to not store will be go to the forget gate. Okay, so the final gate will be our output gate. It will control the information to pass to the next neurons. Okay, that will we use. Okay, so yeah, so now you can see ux1 to xn, these are the inputs, and on the other side you can see y1 and to y, and these are the outputs. So yeah, these are the x1 to xn are the inputs, and y1 to yn are the outputs we get. Okay, so yeah, it will be like this is the simple architecture for the LSTM model. Okay, so now let's see some code of it. So basically, here I provide some code using the numpy, pandas, and keras is the kpi you can in the tensorflow. So you can see this is a simple code for like stock prediction. You can stock predict the stock predict by based on the data you get. I use the dummy data for here. Now you can see it will predict the next steps of the data. For example, if it train on some data, and it will try to predict the next points of the data of the stock prices or anything else. And in the next code example, I used more complex data that will try to predict the next word, like generate the next word based on the previous outputs or sentences. So these two codes with the LSTMs, so you can use these on your VS code or any ideal you want. So yeah, I will also provide the link in the description for this code. So yeah, this was all short video about the LSTM. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video where I will talk about another type of recurrent neural network. Okay, so yeah, thank you and bye.